Hey guys, it's Bree. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my third Halloween tutorial. I am excited. I'm going to go for a pumpkin look. So I already have my base on. I have primer, foundation, concealer, powder, and a little bit of bronzer on. So I'm going to jump right into the eyes. I'm going to start with the Zulu by Juvia's Place. And I'm basically just going to use this orange shade. So taking this Morphe M518, I'm just gonna do an orange kind of smoky eye. I'm just really gonna blow it out. It's gonna go pretty far out past my brow and deeper right on the outer corner right here. So I'm just gonna do that pretty much just with this shade. Okay, so I have that smoked out quite a bit. I'm going to take the yellow in that Zulu palette as well. And I'm going to focus that on the inner corner. See how I brought that down. Okay, so I added yellow to the top and to the inner corner. I feel like I need to diffuse out the yellow just a little bit. It looks intense. So I'm just using a clean brush, just kind of blending that away a little bit. I'm gonna take that orange and I'm gonna bring it out here just slightly. I'm gonna add the orange a little bit to where I contour normally. Next, I'm going to take my Physicians Formula Eye Booster and I'm going to add a really intense wing. We'll see if I can do it because I suck at winged liner. Okay, I just stabbed the crap out of my eye, but I just put on that liner, which is really uneven, but ignore that, and popped on some lashes, and this is what it's looking like right now. I'm gonna go ahead and do the lower lash line. I think I'm just gonna mix that yellow and that orange and just smoke that out on the lower lash line. Then I'm going to add black liner to the waterline. This is the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in 0. I think I might want to add more after I get the mouth on. I'm going to do like a big creepy mouth. So I think I'm going to use the water paints. I really liked using those yesterday. I thought they were really easy to work with. So I'm going to do that. So I'm just taking a paintbrush. I am going to map out the mouth. Okay, so I have the mouth filled in. While that is drying, I'm gonna go ahead and fill in my nose. Okay, so I think I'm gonna add like little paint splatters or just like dots or whatever right over here. Okay, now I'm just gonna take the orange shadow that I was using in this Zulu palette with two little detail brushes and just kind of shade by the teeth. Like that. Oh, I also want to shade around the nose. And I'm going to take a little bit of the yellow at the tops. Like that. And I'm going to take a fluffy brush, just an eyeshadow brush, and pick up that yellow and go around these dots. Okay guys, and this is the creepy pumpkin look. I like this one. This one's super easy, but it still looks really cool. I think basically anyone could recreate this. This is pretty simple. I think it looks pretty cool. Let me know what you guys think down below. I'm super excited to keep coming up with these Halloween ideas. I love Halloween. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe. I post 3 videos every week. I will link my Halloween playlist down below for 2018 if you want to check out any other looks that I have created or that I am creating. They will all be in that playlist. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.